It's time for food!
And it's time to eat now. But since we have a girl with us, we can't move without stopping at every shop. So. After yesterday's spicy food, would you dare to try some street pasta?
Yes. Pasta is fine, but not spicy food. Nowhere in hell.
Look at that sauce. Do you think that's not spicy? Oh, look at that. There's a rat. Oh. All right, that's a big plate of pasta. Is that one portion? No, I don't want it. Huh? We'll have a little one. Yeah.
Okay. Tell him no spice.
No spicy. There's the pasta. Well, we don't have anything. I'm broke.
I'm broke forever.
Don't come back. Don't ever come back. Because I'm forever broke. Look at this big plate of pasta. How many calories do you reckon that has? The whole thing. We could probably do a challenge to finish the whole thing. That'll be. Whoa, what is this? That's one plate. What? Want a high five? What? Give me money. Give me money.
No, got some money today.
I don't have any money.
Well, she's paying for it.
Oh, she's
wow,
paying?
It was $100.
That's $100.
No, I don't have money.
We don't have any money. Give us money. Want me to hold it?
Let's go somewhere and eat this.
Yeah, let's sit down somewhere. Sit in peace.
Street pasta.
How much was it?
60.
The 60 rupee street pasta. And it's time to review it. We'll go find a place to sit down and sit down on one of these wet benches and try to eat. There you go. Yeah. 60 rupee street pasta.
60 rupees street pasta.
Oh yeah, it's Italian.
That's how you say it in Italia.
We have an Italian food in India.
60
Italian
rupees,
street food.
Street pasta.
Only 60 rupees. Let's hope it doesn't give us diarrhea.
Street diarrhea.
Yeah, we don't want street diarrhea. Especially not you, when you're going to be on a plane tomorrow.
Oh, well.
You don't want to spend that time in the lavatory. Here we have a table with water on it. All right, we're invading other people's space, but let's just eat. All right, let's,
so here it is.
Time to review.
My first bite of the street pasta. 60 rupees street pasta in India.
Here we go.
It's not bad. Oh, it's a bit spicy.
They put oregano on the top and some sort of a pasta sauce.
I think it's mayonnaise.
You know what? It's not bad. But it is spicy.
It is spicy, but
it has some spice on it.
This is good. This is really good. Thank you for the 60 rupee pasta. I'm only here for one night.
She's looking for muff. Muff magnet. All right, so we're gonna finish this pasta. It's not bad. It's pretty good. But it's hard to judge that when you're hungry. Everything tastes good. So. All right, we're gonna finish it and move on.
Oh, do you like it?
Good.
Thanks to me.
We have two new dishes, Momos and Pav Bhaji.
Oh no, bro, go away.
What do you say? How is it good?
First let me eat.
Oh, you already ate it.
No, I want to eat more.
Oh, you want to eat more? I think she wants to finish it first, and then she'll let us know how it was.
This one is, oh my god.
Oh, that's like instant diarrhea.
In sachet packets.
Average.
Sachet. Average? Like out of 10?
I think
I'm gonna let you try it. I'm not gonna eat that.
5, that's it.
So she rated it 5 out of 10. So my
That means
expectations
it's-
are low.
It's
that means
10 out of
terrible.
10.
So let me try it. Yeah,
Yeah.
I think she was right.
Well, you get the
So how
spice
much was
up.
this?
I don't know.
You don't know? Is it free?
No, I
Can
just
we
paid
get
it.
10 more? Oh, she's so rich.
Yeah,
She doesn't care. She just
Yeah.
paid.
she's a big baller.
She's a baller. She just threw away some money at the guy and bought 2 plates of food. She doesn't know how much it is.
Here's the money. Boom.
Yeah. Shove it.
Hey, come on.
No, we're not gonna eat
Jerry.
that. That's an experiment.
That's
A human experiment.
I'll just like do it like this, like this. I'll eat. Oh well, the chicken looks.
Go for it.
That's not ours. No. Because that would be too much.
Hey, come on, Ashish.
How are you gonna eat all of this?
I'm not gonna eat.
I'm hungry.
I'm just gonna try this. This one is so spicy. Oh my god.
So what is this place? They don't have a name.
How do you know that like these chicken are really good? How do you know?
You don't know. So this little dish, I'll show you how it's made. What they have is a big plate and some gravy. Can I see? And then they put bread with it, and that's how they cook it. And I guess that's a different dish.
It's pav bhaji.
This is pav bhaji, right? All right. So that's how it's made, and it's not bad. So I was just showing them how it's made. What? Whoa. Welcome to the Indian Street Club, where we dance on the streets.
India's got talent over there.
India's Got Talent, with a tiny little speaker. Oh, people are starting to leave. That is a crazy Indian street party. Yes, it's a camera.
Let's go, yalla.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go, yalla molo.
Yalla, vamos.
Vamos.
Where are we going though?
Vamonos.
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 Domino's?
No, I said vamonos.
Not gonna go to Domino's.
Vamonos means like, yalla,
Yeah.
let's go.
Whoa! This dude is a fucking statue. This chick is giving out some sort of a free drink. We don't know what it is. I think it's a monster.
Oh, dude, it's monster.
All right, she's pissed.
Already a fight. Let's go.
She's pissed at the dudes. That lady is pissed. She's super pissed. Where's Jeremy?